Network Entertainment.
I want you to imagine this. 10 years from now, may kumakatok sa pintuan mo. Pagbukas mo, it's you. The older you. The wiser you. Someone who lived through another decade of life. Then, umupo siya sa harap mo. Ngumiti ng konti, tapos ito yung sinabi. Salamat. Thank you. O baka, ang una niyang itanong sa'yo, wag naman sana, why didn't you prepare sooner? If you have only one chance to sit down with the future you today, what do you think you want them to say? Pag-usapan natin to.
Hi, I'm Chingitan and you're listening to Chink Positive Podcast, where I aim to equip you to become wealthy and debt-free, teaching you on how to save, budget, get out of debt, and invest. Let's get into the episode.
Hi there, welcome back to Chink Positive. Today in this podcast, I want to do a simple exercise. I want us to think and reflect. I want you to close your eyes for a moment. Huwag ka lang kung ikaw ay nagda-drive. Pero wherever you are, close your eyes right now. Please cooperate. This will really help you. And then I want you to imagine your future self sitting right in front of you. The person can be 10 years from now, 20 years from now, or 40 years from now pag umabot ka ng 60. Here's the reality. Okay, while your eyes are closed, the version of you is being shaped by the decision you're making today. Kaya ano yung nakikita mo? Nakikita mo vibrant ba? Ikaw, excited ka ba sa retirement years mo? Nakakapag-travel ka ba? Nagagawa mo ba yung gusto mo? Or yung nakikita mo, nag-struggle ka, nahirapan ka, nag-iisip ka kung saan mo gakunin ang pangbayad mo sa bills mo, sa gamot mo. Ano yung nakikita mo? I want you to open your eyes right now. I just want to remind you, again, the younger you right now will take good care of the older you. Every paycheck, every purchase, every peso you save, every peso you spend, one day, you'll become that person. So tanungin mo yung sarili mo, when that day comes, will your future self thank you or will they ask, anong ginawa mo? Why did you keep on choosing instant happiness over long-term security? Why didn't you prepare for me? Sometimes we think yung financial decisions natin will only affect us today. But that's not true. Every decision that you and I make is either helping our future self or making our life harder in the future. That's why today, we're going to talk about why saving money and being responsible with your money is one of the greatest gifts that you can give yourself when you retire. Alam mo, the reality is this, when you are young, yung feeling mo na ang tagal pa yan eh. Yung parang feeling mo hindi urgent naman yung future. Here's something interesting about human nature. We naturally prioritize what's in front of us. Yung urgent pa, yung bill today, cravings, yung wants, yung sale today, yung travel. Those things are real, yes. Pero yung retirement, tagal pa yan. Diba? Emergency fund, later na lang. Insurance, next year na lang. The problem is, the future never feels urgent. Until one day, it becomes a reality. At doon mo masasabi, sana nagsimula ako. Sana nag-invest ako. Sana nagnegosyo ako. Diba? Kaya nga the goal is simple. When you take care about your future, before life forces you, you are already preparing for something that is greater and better. Alam mo, kaya nga huwag nating isipin na saving is deprivation. As a matter of fact, pag nag-iipon ka, it's an act of love. I want you to stop thinking that saving is a sacrifice. Saving, again, is not depriving yourself. Saving is all about protecting. Repeat after me. Protecting. Pinoprotektahan mo yung sarili mo. Every time when you save money, you're sending a message to your future self. You're sending money to your future self. You're saying, I know that life won't be that easy. I know emergencies will happen. I know that there will be unexpected challenges, but don't worry. I'm preparing for the future you. Diba maganda yon? Sometimes, alam mo nangyayari, we're so busy taking care of everyone else. Nakakalimutan na natin yung sarili natin. Inuuna natin yung pamilya natin, mahal natin sa buhay, yung asawa natin, yung anak natin, yung mga magulang natin. Then we forget about taking the most important person, and that is you. Saving is one of the best way to show love to yourself. Ito yung tinatawag nating self-care. And then wag nating sabihin na, ay hindi, bahala na lang si Lord. Yes, we have faith in God, but faith without action is dead. Do you agree? Kaya nga the good news is, your future self isn't asking you to become rich overnight. It's simply asking you right now to start. Mag-umpisa ka. Mag-umpisa ka kahit siguro, kaya mo ba mag-save ng 500 a week? 1,000 a month? 2,000 pesos a month? Kailangan mo lang mag-open ng savings account. Kailangan mag-umpisa using the ipon box. Diba? O kailangan mo lang magbayad ng utang. Maybe you can start investing. The small decisions that you take today will be life-changing tomorrow. Kaya nga, wag mong maliitin yung mga maliit because everything that becomes big start from the small, consistent choices. Kaya nga, bago tayo mag-end sa episode na ito, I want to challenge you. As your pambansang wealth coach, I want you to take 5 minutes today. Before you go to sleep, 5 minutes lang, get a piece of paper and a pen. I want you to write a short letter to your future self. Sagutin mo to. What would you thank you for right now? Yung parang, I thank Chinkitan for preparing the retirement fund for my future. I thank Chinkitan for setting up his passive income to earn X amount of income per month. What would you thank your younger you? And number 2, gustong sulat mo rin to. What would you tell yourself to stop doing right now in order for you to prepare for your future? Ano dapat mong tigil? I would stop probably spending irresponsibly. I would stop spending based on emotions. Diba? Sulat mo kung ano yung dapat mong itigil. Alam mo, I have a feeling, itong sinusulat mo, itong letter na ito, might change the way you handle your money. So, kung ikaw handa ka na talaga magbago, I think this is one of the most important exercise that you need to do before you go to sleep. Thank you very much for listening to Ching Positive Podcast. And if this session really helped you a lot, please do me a favor. Diba? Do not only keep this to yourself, copy link and then share this link and post mo sa Facebook account mo, sa TikTok account mo, or any account that can really help others. Always remember, your future isn't built someday, it's built today. One decision, one habit, 1 peso at a time. Your future self is counting on your present you. Make them proud. As I always say, always think positive.
The opinions of podcast creators, hosts, and guests are not necessarily reflective of the official stance of the Pod Network Entertainment, its hosts, or other network programs. The content created by the people behind the podcast is personal and not meant to harm any religion, ethnicity, group, organization, company, or individual.